Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of the EdTech Explorer. My name is Romeo, your Google Workspace for Education Certified Trainer from the Philippines. Ayan, and if it's your first time here to our channel, welcome. Ayan, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so you'll know our latest events and videos. Ayan, and of course po, meron din po kaming Facebook page called the EdTech Explorer. Ayan. So make sure to like and follow us as well, ha? So you'll always be updated. Ayan. So maraming salamat po in advance. Ayan. And for today's episode, one of the things that you need to learn to start your project with Adobe Premiere is how to upload your raw files. Okay? So this is how you can upload your files into the Adobe Premiere. So as mentioned earlier, this is the bin part where you can upload your files. So to insert or upload or import your files into the Adobe Premiere, all you have to do is just to look for file, click on that, and then you click import. Okay, so you can click import and then you browse for your folder. This is where I have saved my files. For example, I want to upload this file, so I'll just click on this and then click open. And it will be here already. So as you can see, that's how easy it is to upload a file. Another way to upload the file is by simply using using the shortcut key, which is Control I. Alright, so let's press Control I. And then I will look for another file to upload. I'll upload my music. Okay, I'll click this one here and then I'll click open. And as you can see, we were able to upload an image and an audio or music here. And of course, we can also the third way to upload your file is by simply double clicking here in the bin. So double click our mouse pointer so that you can click on upload the file and then click search for the file that you want to upload. And for this one, I'll be using this video and I'll click open. And after doing that, this is how we can upload our files into our Adobe Premiere file. Alright, so again, you can, to upload your file, you can simply click file and then you go to import. Okay, or you can use the shortcut key Control I, or you simply double click your mouse pointer here and then you can upload your file. And if you find this video useful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the EdTech Explorer. So maraming salamat po. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam!